in my old
Yeah.
age.
Well, speaking of the difference between you as a teen and you now, I mean, look, a lot of people know who you are. You've done a lot of cool stuff in your life. You've written a lot of books. You get paid a lot of money to speak, all of these good things. What do you think are the things that have made you successful
Well,
outside of luck and all of
no,
that?
no. Well, I mean, you cannot issue the caveat outside of luck
Sure,
because
we can.
you, people need to understand that luck has so much to do with it, right? So I was lucky that that sixth grade teacher had that conversation. I was lucky that my parents listened. I was lucky that my parents were willing to sacrifice. I was lucky that I met Mike Boych at Stanford. I was lucky that, nepotism got me into the MAC division. There's so many places where, it was just blind dumb shit luck. I was in the right place at the right time. And
Yeah.
I think even if that's not true, and it was really grit and growth that got you, you got to appreciate the fact that, you know, I am lucky. Listen, I'm deaf, right?
Hmm.
Do I consider myself, woe is me? No, don't get me wrong. I wish I was not deaf, but
Hmm.
I'm telling you something. Nobody ever died from deafness.
Mm.
And if you said, okay, guy, you can either be deaf or you can have pancreatic cancer. Let me think about that. Which one should I pick? Right? And so you cannot you cannot discount luck. Now, having said that, there are people who are lucky and they're born into great places, great families and everything, and they squander their luck.
Hmm.
I did not squander my luck.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I've been lucky, and then it kind of becomes an upward spiral. So you're lucky, and you work your ass off, and you get more lucky. Guess what? Huh? How do you
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
So I guess I'm saying that, I don't want people to take the attitude like, it's just luck. I don't have to do anything, because that's not true. And I have people in my book and my podcast that this one guy named Halim Flowers. At 16, he was convicted of accessory to murder. He served 22 years and then he was released. And now he is a very famous artist. Some
Mm.
people say he will be the next Jean-Michel Basquiat.
Mm.
And so, what's the difference between him and me? He was born in the projects and I wasn't. I mean, that did I deserve that? What did I do to get that?
Mm. Mm.
Nothing. So and so he had that bad luck, but even with that bad luck, he overcame that, and now he's this artist. So arguably, he's more remarkable than me. He had to overcome a shitload more than I did.